Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace headlight bulb Nissan Pathfinder. Full guide. Open the hood, disconnect the negative battery terminal, and work with gloves to keep the bulb clean. Remove the headlight access cover, unplug the connector, and twist out the old bulb carefully. Inspect the socket for corrosion, insert the new bulb without touching the glass, secure the connector, and test the beam alignment before closing up. I will walk you through the tools and safety steps so you feel confident and ready. Start by choosing the correct bulb type for your Pathfinder and collecting a socket set, screwdriver, and gloves. Keep a clean cloth to handle the bulb and a flashlight for tight spaces. Always disconnect the negative battery cable and avoid touching the bulb glass. Working methodically reduces mistakes and keeps everything safe and simple. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can make more useful guides. Quick recommendation. I recently read The Simple Path to Wealth, and it really changed how I think about budgeting and saving for repairs like this one. It's a handy, calming read for practical money sense. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Follow these clear steps and you'll finish this task without stress. Start by removing the headlight access cover, then unplug the wiring connector and unclip any retaining springs. Twist the bulb socket counterclockwise and pull the old bulb free, handling it by the base only. Insert the new bulb, twist to lock, reconnect the wiring, and reconnect the battery. Finally, test low and high beams and adjust alignment if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.